Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Urmila and you're watching Urmila's Heart. I'm in somewhere for shopping and मैं कहाँ गई थी वही मैं आज आपको बताने जा रही हूँ. And one more thing आपको मैं बता दूँ कि this video is going to be a bit lengthy because I merged two videos together. I mean जो मैंने vlog करे थे वो दोनों दिन के vlog थे जो जहाँ मैं गई कहाँ कहाँ मैं गई. Those are merged into one video and so this video is going to be a bit लेंदी. सो प्लीज़ मैं पहले ही आपको बोल रही हूँ, इफ़ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू सी दिस एंटायर वीडियो देन यू कैन स्किप राइट अवे. So this is the first day and we are out for Kohinoor market and we're there where Salam and Anika is waiting for us and we entered the car and heading towards Kohinoor market. हाय अगेन. तो हम निकल चुके हैं कोहिनूर मार्केट के लिए. तो अभी वी आर ऑन द वे एज यू कैन सी. सो व्हाट इज कोहिनूर मार्केट वो हमें ज़रा मेरी फ्रेंड अनामिका ज़रा एक्सप्लेन करेंगी. लेट्स सी फ्रॉम अनामिका. अनामिका, क्या होता है कोहिनूर मार्केट में, क्या मिलता है?
वो एक मार्केट है जहाँ पे नॉर्मली ज़्यादातर इथनिक मिलता है.
अच्छा.
और हम लोग एक्चुअली वहाँ पे पाकिस्तानी सूट्स लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं स्पेशली.
हम लोग वहाँ पर शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, yes.
कितना कैसा है
वो एक्चुअली वो थोड़ा मतलब टॉपसिया में है और ज़्यादातर इथनिक्स मिलते हैं और हम लोग वहाँ पे अभी बहुत कुछ शॉपिंग करेंगे एंड फिर उसके स्टैंड भी जाएंगे.
इसमें सलाम हंस रहा है. सलाम, व्हाई आर यू लाफिंग? ड्राइव करो अच्छे से. क्यों हंस रहे हो?
ड्राइविंग के टाइम पे हंसना नहीं चाहिए.
क्यों देख रहे हो? इधर देखो कैमरा पे देखो. ठीक है. सो हम लोग जा रहे हैं कोहिनूर मार्केट. तो आप लोग भी चले.
हम लोग वहाँ पे कलेक्शन
क्या 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 देखते हैं, क्या शॉपिंग करते हैं आप भी देखिए. ऑलराइट, लेट्स प्रोसीड. बाय बाय. And here we entered the Kohinoor market and just spotted some small shops and we started vlogging again. So these are the small shops where you get very varieties of salwar kameez or anything you want, like form of lehenga also you can get. But my eye spotted on the glass bangles. Those were so pretty out there, but I went off with the velvet one and it's very cheap. It costed me around 30 or 40 rupees a dozen, whereas it cost 55 to 60 rupees a dozen in other markets. So guys, whoever are following me and seeing this video, you can easily come here in Dulhan Singhar shop and buy bangles in very affordable price. So we went to the interior of this market and explored much shop and just wanted to see what else are found here. So we spotted a shop again and saw some kurtis and the pricings which I'll mention in my screen. This shop also had some decent collection of salwar kameez and kurta. So finally I've entered a shop where I literally found my favorite sharara and gararas, but the price out there were very high. But the collections out there were very pretty. After this, we are out of Kohinoor market and we are heading towards home. And we bought nothing from Kohinoor market.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप?
तोपशिया से क्यों नहीं लिए कुछ भी?
क्योंकि वो हम लोग
So हम बेसिकली गए थे किसी कोहिनूर मार्केट में एंड देन वी वेंट टू बड़ा बाजार. स्पेशली आई वेंट बिकॉज ईद करीब है एंड मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स की शादी भी है. सो आई थॉट ऑफ बाइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. वही साड़ी वगैरह हो चुका है. आई एम जस्ट फिल अप एंड बोर्ड विद इट. सो आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ वेयरिंग सम डिफरेंट. सो आई एक्सप्लोर्ड विद सम शरारा एंड गरारास. Yes. So I went Kohinoor market to buy garara or sharara, whatever it is, but in a budget, obviously. And since I did not get from Kohinoor market, that's why I went to Bara Bazaar. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Urmila and you're watching Urmila's Heart. And yes, today is the part 2 of shopping vlog. So today we are heading towards Bara Bazaar for some shopping or window shopping or what we'll do, we don't know. I'm just going to explore that Bara Bazaar. Let's see what we get out there. And obviously with us will go with Salam and Anamika, as you saw in the last vlog. Yes, without any further ado, let's proceed with the video. So now we are heading towards Bara Bazaar, and we finally reached Bara Bazaar. You can see the sky out there. It's about to rain now. So these are some small shops where you can find traditional jewelries, bags, shoes, some lehengas and everything. Then also we entered to the Satyanarayan AC market and we explored a shop, but I did not find my shara or garara anything. And then we went out for some street shopping. We found some jewelries, bags. These are very pretty out here. You can get this clutch bags only in 500 to 600. These are beautiful latkans, bangles, everything you'll get here in Bara Bazaar. We also entered to a chura shop where we found variety of chura in pastel colors. So Anamika bought a very peach color chura and mine is in mint. And then we entered to a shop where you can get varieties of shararas, gararas, salwar suits in cotton, georgette, any color, any material you want. So here are some collections from their shop, and I was very happy by then because finally I got my gararas from this shop, and I'll show you in this video later. Well, from Bara Bazaar, I bought 4 items for myself. I mean, 3 items for myself, one for my mother. I bought 2 gararas. One is in cotton and one is in net, and another is a suit. So let's proceed from the first one. First of all, let's talk about the garara. I mean the cotton garara I'm talking about. And you guys don't think that they gave me stitched wise. I literally bought those pieces and came here, then made by my tailor, own tailor. By पूरे वो इसमें आते हैं, I mean थान के कपड़ों में आते हैं, रॉ मटेरियल आते हैं, वो आपको सिलना पड़ेगा to your tailor. So I went to my tailor and gave my measurements and he stitched me. And so ये एक cotton garara है. This also cost me only 850. Yes, this cotton garara also cost me 850, and this is so pretty in creamish color. Same garara was bought by Anamika also. If you guys don't know who is Anamika, please follow my previous videos or vlogs. I mentioned her, who is she and what she is not. So Anamika also bought such garara. Same pattern, same thing, just the colors are in ivory and mine is in cream. This is the garara with simple gotapatti work with florals and leaves pattern, and I love gotapatti work a lot. It also comes with pant and dupatta. This is a pure, पूरा काम किया हुआ एक सलवार सूट. I never had such सलवार सूट. I just experimented in my life for the first time such इतना काम किया हुआ सलवार पीस. Let's see how do I look, how do I carry. So I'm not looking bad in that, but अगर आप अच्छे से dress up करो, अच्छे से कुछ करो, थोड़ा base and all करके, you can easily wear this. It's a very pretty and gorgeous salwar kameez, and the stitched with a straight pant and amazingly pretty. So this is the final garara I'm thinking to wear in my friend's wedding. I have many weddings upcoming on November and December. Let's see when to wear, which wedding to wear. And this is the garara which I bought in only 1800, which cost me in Kohinoor market 2600. So I was just so stunned to get it. So you can see the frill of the garara, the work of the garara, the dupatta itself is so pretty. So the fitting and all is awesome. The lower and the bottom part of this garara is embedded with beads and thread works, and this is the latkan which I gave. This is the pant and followed by dupatta. Last but not the least, here is my mom's salwar which I bought for her. The work is in thread and the red color of flowers are popping in and giving some life to the salwar. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video, my shopping vlog for sharara and gararas that made me so crazy, and I did not sleep for many nights for not getting this thing. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to share, like, comment, and if you are new to my channel, प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन। पता नहीं क्यों मेरा सब्सक्राइबर क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा है, एफर्ट सो मच फॉर माई वीडियोज। Please, please, and please allow me to hit 1K subscriber in my channel, and I will really thank you a lot for this. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more other videos if you like this. And what about this makeup? If you haven't seen this video, I don't know ये video इसके बाद जाएगा या इसके पहले जाएगा, I have no clue for this makeup. If you haven't seen, if ये video चला गया है, so if you haven't seen this video, please go and check for this video. This is a makeup which I have done, a very classic makeup. And अगर इसके बाद आए after this video, if it comes the makeup, then please मेरे video देख लीजिएगा please. And I effort a lot for my videos. Please hit a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, bye. That's it for today.